To set multiple take profits in TradingView, here's what you need to do. So make sure you're on your pair and you can see sell and buy. If you don't see it, you want to click on trade. Of course, if you don't see it, it is still important to go over to the top right corner. Then you have the trade option right here. You're going to click on trade. Now it's showing trade because we've already connected it. But if you click on the drop down and click on connect to another broker, you'll be able to get to this page. Basically, if this is your first time and you click on trade, it will take you to this page and you'll need to click on paper trading. And that's what we're on. But of course, if you're using other options or other brokers, you can go ahead and choose them and connect them to your trading view. So what we're doing here is actually practical. So whatever you choose is up to you. And then of course you want to click on buy or simply click on trade right here. And here you have your trade settings. Now we're going to make sure it's in market, but of course, if you want to set it for limit or stop, that's up to you. But for this tutorial, we'll be choosing market, and then we're going to choose the units. And then here we'll be talking about the exits. If it's closed, you want to click on the drop down, and then you have take profit price, stop loss price. So you want to activate it here as well. And then of course you want to set it to what makes sense. So of course, after opening the exit, you have your take profit at 4,081 and your stop loss here. And of course, if you want to add multiple take profits and stop losses, you can click on add level and you see that take profit 1 is already saved based on what we had before. Of course, if you want to make some adjustment here, you can make the adjustment, same with the stop loss, and then click on add level again, and you have TP level 2, and then this is level 3. You can repeat the process and add the level, and you can see that we have 3 take profits right here. So of course, once you're done, you want to click and confirm. And then once that's confirmed, you'll see it in a summary format, and then you can click on buy. And here it shows that it's done. So this is how to set multiple take profits in TradingView.